in the snow. Right, come here, girl. Come here. Ready. Bristol, 2018. Snow. 2nd of March. Got all that Russian weather. Zena loves it though. Zena! She's got her scarf on. Zena! Yeah! What's that? What is that? What is that? Zena! Storm's coming today. We got Storm Emma. Apparently she's coming back with a vengeance. Just looked on the internet. These Britain's fucked. Since we get a bit of snow, we got to stop work. Zena. She's got her scarf on. Yeah, Bristol unfortunately got a lot of homeless. Everyone's sleeping in tents. Bristol City Council don't give a fuck. I'm actually homeless myself, but I'm illegally squatting somewhere. I'm not going to say where. Got nice water, got cooker, got food, got my dog. That's how I gotta live. Society these days. Go on, girl. Zena! This way, girl. This way, girl. Yeah, Zena. Girl. Right. That's it today, folks. Me and Zena's gonna say goodbye. Take care. See you again.